We're going to talk about the life period 1937 to 1945, which was a very exciting time for Calder. These years opened with some really important public commissions. There was Mercury Fountain in 1937 for the Spanish Pavilion at the Paris World's Fair. Also Lobster Trap and Fishtail for MoMA. There were two major retrospectives during this period. His first one in 1938 in Springfield, Massachusetts, and then of course the MoMA show in 1943. There's a lot of Matter photos on the website, and so you can see the photos that he took in Calder's studio. I mean, there's of course a lot of photographers shot Calder's studio as well, but there's something about the Matter photos. What is it, do you think, of, maybe their friendship had given him sort of an intimacy, insight?
It's so true. I mean, you look at Calder in these pictures and he's so relaxed. I mean, this amazing portrait of him, Herbert shooting with a Rolleiflex, so it's 6 by 6 centimeters. It's a square image. It's not like we're used to like a 35 millimeter rectangular image. And he places Calder right dead center, and you're really drawn in through the lines of the mobiles and the workbench and all of that. I used to always look in this photograph, look at my grandfather, look at the works of art he's making, look at parts on the benches, and see how we could date something because it's being created at this time. And something that's different about this photograph than the studio is now, how he's strung up the wires on this rod on the right side, etc.
Well, yeah, and then there's the connection to the MoMA exhibition, which is one of the exhibitions featured on our website, so viewers can go in and see a whole bunch of material, installation shots, opening celebration shots, and etc.
When I found this group, this like suite of these images that Suichi Tsunami took for MoMA as like, the official installation pictures, and then I found these in my grandfather's studio, and then I happened to turn them over, as I always do, and then there are all these notes on the back, like the name of every piece, and just so incredible that our archives has these kind of documents. It's so rich, and it makes research so much more fulfilling, that you can actually connect things. We have a lot of questions, but we have fewer questions than we used to.